Hello, thanks for joining me. Well, I just thought I'd share this changing over to LED. I had about 100 fluorescent lights 6 years ago, and most of them were brand new, and I've gone through all of them in 6 years. And the cost of fluorescent lights is like $6 a piece now, and it's just not worth keeping these things up here. Plus I found some LED lights that are really cheap. Double bulb fixture just like this. I was paying $120 for 4 of them. Now they're less than $50 for 4. And I'll put a link down below. But let me get these down and then I'll show you the LED lights. Okay, this is how these lights come. It's got a plug and a switch. They're flexible. And they come with these little clips. You just screw them up to the joist and they clip on there. And then you can plug another light into this light. And they're I think you can do 3 or 4 into each other. But here's what I did. I ran one wire down the middle of my shop and put a 120 volt outlet every other joist. And then I can run a wire over my ductwork and do the other half, and then plug these into each other. Very easy. There we go. Well, I don't know if this is up to code or not, but I'm shortening these wires. And putting crimp connectors on them. Figure these things are up on the ceiling away from anything that's going to hit them. Perfectly safe. One of these wires has a stripe on it. It's hard to see. I don't know which conductor that is, but it's a polarized plug. Probably doesn't make any difference, but might as well get it right. Yeah, I like it. Well, there it is. Both halves of the basement, or both sides of my shop done. Although I got a dark corner over there, and I think there'll be about 4 more lights over there. I just ran out of lights. Anyway, that about wraps it up. Thanks for joining me, and be sure and subscribe and ring that bell.